On to loading up tools. We're going to start with the spot drill. So you're going to take the nut off and you're going to put the collet inside of the nut first because it kind of snaps in. And then once you see that it's flush, you kind of put the first couple threads on and then you're going to put the tool inside. Sometimes you have to flip the tool holder upside down to help put the tool in, but not this time. And then you just want to nip it. Some people super tighten it. You don't really need to do that. Alright, so we're going to do the next tool. Not super complicated, same concept. Just snap the collet in, kind of wiggle it around. And you want to put it right up where the flute starts. And then just a good nip. Now we're going to start with our solid holders. Now you'll see that there's a flat on the tool. And that's what we want to clamp on. That way the tool doesn't pull out. What I like to do is take the set screw completely out. It only takes a few seconds. And then put the tool in. Now you can leave the set screw in and kind of wiggle it around and find the flat. But just to double check, I like to take the set screw completely out. Make sure that you can see the flat. And then you're going to put the set screw on the flat and then just a good nip and it shouldn't pull out. The worst thing that could happen is coolant not hit it and it load up the tool. As you can see, I used a 3-flute high-speed steel tool for roughing aluminum. And I like to use any tool for finishing. What I like to use is a 4-flute carbide end mill. And I like to just make sure it's sharp. You could also use a 3-flute high-speed steel finisher too. But for roughing, definitely make sure you use high-speed steel. Same concept. On a finisher, you don't have to necessarily clamp on the flat though. It's barely going to be cutting. And just a good nip. Last tool is a drill mill. That has no flat. You could also put this in a collet. And that should conclude our video for loading up tools.